Hey, I'll let you in on a little secret. It doesn't take a lot of fancy footwork or tricks to look good when you rope flow. And regardless of how old you are, what your fitness level is, you should be able to unlock this flow. So this flow that we are going into today is called the Maki Roll. Basically, it combines the overhand and the underhand matador. So if you haven't already acquainted yourself with those, you want to start out with those tutorial videos on the channel first, and we'll be going right into it. The first thing that I want you to get used to is pivoting. So with the Maki Roll, you'll be turning from one side to the other. So start in a neutral position, legs about shoulder width apart, and you want to get used to turning to the right and then turning to the left. So what you then want to do with turning is your legs are about shoulder width apart. When you turn to right, point both your feet forward, and you want to bend your back leg, have your heel come up. And then you pivot back to neutral, pivot back to the left side this time. Neutral, right side, neutral, left side, neutral, right side, neutral, left side. Keep your weight on the toes or the balls of your feet, not on your heels. So left, middle, right, middle, left, middle, right, middle. Remember that you're also twisting your body, not just turning your legs, right? So twist and face one direction, face the other direction, face, and face. Next thing that we want to know is what the beat count is. For the Maki Roll, it's 2 beats on each side. So whichever side you decide to start with, right now we're going to start with overhand on the right side. It's going to be 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 1, 2 on the left, 1, 2 back in the front, and then 1, 2 back in here. So if we go according to the cardinal directions, if I'm swinging overhand to my right, this is my south, this is north, facing you is east, facing that way is west. All right? So what we're going to do when we start is just do overhand matadors on your right side. So you notice I'm not standing facing the rope this way because it makes it a lot harder for me to turn to the other side. All right? So you want to stand a bit sideways, turn your body to the right. Remember, you can have your leg out like this as well. So do overhand matadors on your right side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The next step is getting used to transitioning to the middle or switching over to the underhand side of things. Because remember, what you're doing is this is overhand, and then when you switch this way, it becomes underhand coming from the other side. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then on the second beat, you want to switch over. So 1, 2, you switch over, right? And then the same goes the other way as well. When you're in underhand, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then come back to the right side again. So I'll show you the turning timing again. You turn on number 2. 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn. All right? So that's basically it. When you're starting out, it's okay if you go a couple of beats just to get used to the turning. You don't have to do 2 beats on each side. It's okay if you go like 3 or 4 beats before you get used to turning. But eventually the ideal beat count is 2 beats on each side. Right? So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So when you are basically going from the overhand to the left side matador, this effectively is also the 2 beats for the underhand, and then you go straight to the other side. So it's 2 on the west, 2 on the east, 2 on the west again, 2 on the east, and then 2 on the west again. And here is what it looks like from the front. As you get used to doing the Maki Roll, I want you to be mindful of your posture. You're not just swinging your arms and turning your body like this. Make sure that your legs are pivoting properly and you're twisting your body as well. Let your hips drive the movement. And then it flows up through your spine, and then you turn and your hands follow, all right? If you want to make it look a bit more aggressive, on the second swing, when you're turning, you can hit a bit harder, and then the same coming back the other way as well. So 1, 2, 1, turn, 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 1, 2, 1, turn,